object may be at rest or in motion. Both are its state of motion. These are the 3 points which you have to remember. Now students, observe this particular image. Here is a spring. Now this spring is compressing and expanding. Now when you apply force, it will compress. Now when you release the force, it will try to expand. Or even you can apply force and expand it a little more. And look at this one here. Here is a sponge ball where when you're trying to squeeze it, it is changing its shape. Here you can see the chapati. Now initially the dough will be in a small spherical ball, like dough will be in the ball shape. Now when you take the rolling pin and roll out, it's becoming flat. Now here you see the balloon. It's an inflated balloon. When you apply pressure on that, when you apply force on it, it is bursting and it is changing its shape. So with all these examples, you conclude that the force can change the shape of an object. So whenever you apply force, the shape of the object can change. So these were about the forces. Now let us see the effects of force on an object. So whatever you have learned till now, you can just compile all the situations and write down the effects. For example, you learned that the force can make an object to move from its rest position. And you also learned that the force can stop a moving object. And you learned that the force can change the speed of an object if it is moving. Also, the force can change the direction of the motion of an object. And force can change the shape of an object as well. So whenever any one or more of these effects takes place, that means the forces are acting upon an object. So this is about the force and effects of forces. Now coming to types of forces, students, there are two types of forces. They are contact forces and non-contact forces. Under contact forces, you have muscular force and the force of friction, and in non-contact forces, magnetic force, electrostatic force, and the gravitational forces are there. So about this you will learn it in the next class. So what are the values you can learn from this topic is that you have to accept the changes when the situations demand, like how the objects will change its shape, right, whenever the force is applied on it. So even you have to accept the changes and change yourself when there is any situations. And you have to changes when the situations demand, like how the objects will change its shape, right, whenever the force is applied on it. So even you have to accept the changes and change yourself when there is any situations. And you have to sum up your force in focusing on your goals. So force yourself to focus on your goals, and you have to always subtract the negative forces from your life. So this is about the forces. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.